The B1/B2 visa is your gateway to experiencing the diverse landscapes and vibrant culture of the United States. Whether you dream of exploring bustling cities like New York or marveling at natural wonders like the Grand Canyon, this visa is essential for tourism and short-term business trips. The B1 visa is for business purposes, including attending conferences. The B2 visa covers tourism, visiting family, and medical treatment. This combined visa offers flexibility for multiple purposes. The application process can seem daunting, but with careful preparation, you can navigate it successfully. This guide will provide a step-by-step approach to applying for the B1/B2 visa. We will cover everything from completing the online application to preparing for your visa interview. By following these guidelines, you'll be well equipped to embark on your American adventure. The United States offers a rich tapestry of experiences for visitors, from historical landmarks to sunny beaches. So let's begin the process of turning your travel dreams into reality. The DS-160 form, the online non-immigrant visa application, is a crucial component of your B1/B2 visa application. Accuracy and completeness are paramount when filling out this form, as any errors or omissions could delay or even jeopardize your application. Take your time to carefully review each question and provide truthful and accurate information. Begin by gathering all the necessary information, including your passport details, travel itinerary, and employment history. The DS-160 form requires specific details about your travel plans, including the purpose of your visit, intended length of stay, and accommodation details. Providing clear and concise information about your travel plans will demonstrate your preparedness and strengthen your application. As you navigate the DS-160 form, you'll encounter questions about your background, education, and employment history. Answer these questions truthfully and to the best of your ability. Once you've completed the DS-160 form, review all the information carefully before submitting it electronically. After submitting the form, you'll receive a confirmation page with a barcode. Print this page and bring it with you to your visa interview. The next step in the B1/B2 visa application process is paying the non-refundable application fee. As of September 2024, the fee for the B1/B2 visa is $160. However, it's always advisable to check the US Embassy or Consulate website for the most up-to-date fee information. Fee payment methods vary depending on your location, so be sure to familiarize yourself with the accepted payment options in your country. You can typically pay the visa fee online using a credit card or through an authorized bank transfer. Some embassies or consulates may also accept cash payments. Keep the payment receipt as proof of payment. This receipt will be required for scheduling your visa interview. Once you've paid the visa application fee, you'll receive a confirmation number. This number is essential for scheduling your visa interview. With the fee paid and the confirmation number in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step: scheduling your visa interview. After paying the visa application fee, the next step is scheduling your interview at the nearest US Embassy or Consulate. Create an online profile and select a convenient date and time for your interview. Appointment availability varies, so schedule well in advance. You'll receive a confirmation email with your appointment details. Print this email and bring it to your interview. This confirmation is required for entry into the embassy or consulate. Now, focus on preparing for your interview. Thorough preparation is key to a successful visa interview. Start by organizing all your supporting documents, such as your passport, DS-160 confirmation page, and financial statements. In addition to the required documents, consider bringing any additional materials that can strengthen your application, such as letters of invitation from friends or family in the United States, proof of property ownership, or employment contracts. Practice answering common visa interview questions with a friend or family member. Focus on clearly and concisely explaining your purpose of travel and your ties to your home country. Dress professionally for your interview, as this shows respect for the process and the consular officer. Choose attire that is comfortable yet presentable. Avoid wearing anything too casual or revealing. A professional appearance can make a positive impression and contribute to a successful interview experience. Arriving on time for your visa interview is crucial. Aim to arrive at the US Embassy or Consulate at least 15 to 30 minutes before your scheduled appointment. This allows time for security checks and any unexpected delays. During the interview, the consular officer will ask you questions about your travel plans, background and ties to your home country. Answer truthfully and concisely, providing clear and consistent information. Maintain eye contact with the officer and speak confidently. Avoid providing unnecessary information or elaborating excessively, as this can sometimes raise unnecessary questions. Be prepared to present your supporting documents to the consular officer. Have them organized and easily accessible. The officer may ask for specific documents, so be familiar with the contents of your file. The interview typically lasts only a few minutes. Remain calm and composed throughout the process, even if you feel nervous. If your visa is approved, congratulations. The consular officer will inform you of the next steps, which typically involve receiving your passport with the visa stamp within a few days. Some embassies or consulates may offer a courier service for passport delivery, while others may require you to pick up your passport in person. Carefully review the visa stamp in your passport to ensure all the information is correct. Check your name, passport number, visa category, and validity dates. If you notice any discrepancies, contact the embassy or consulate immediately to rectify the issue. With your visa in hand, you can now finalize your travel arrangements. Book your flights, secure your accommodation, and plan your itinerary. Be sure to adhere to the terms and conditions of your visa, including the allowed duration of stay. Overstaying your visa can have serious consequences, including future travel restrictions. If your visa application is denied, don't be discouraged. The consular officer will provide you with a letter explaining the reason for the denial. Carefully review this letter to understand the specific grounds for the denial. Common reasons for visa denial include insufficient ties to your home country, lack of clear travel plans, or concerns about your financial stability. Depending on the reason for the denial, you may be able to reapply for the visa. Address the issues that led to the initial denial and strengthen your application with additional supporting documents. Consulting with an immigration attorney can be helpful in understanding the reapplication process and improving your chances of success. When reapplying, ensure that you provide clear and convincing evidence to address the concerns raised in the initial denial. The 214B clause of the Immigration and Nationality Act presumes that all visa applicants are intending immigrants unless they can demonstrate otherwise. This means you must convince the consular officer that you have strong ties to your home country and will return after your temporary stay in the United States. Demonstrating strong ties to your home country can involve various factors, such as family relationships, employment, property ownership, and community involvement. Provide documentation that supports these ties, such as marriage certificates, birth certificates of children, employment contracts, property deeds, and evidence of active participation in community organizations. Clearly articulate your travel plans and the purpose of your visit to the United States. Provide a detailed itinerary, including your intended dates of arrival and departure, accommodation details, and planned activities. Explain your reasons for returning to your home country after your temporary stay in the United States. Convincing the consular officer of your intent to return is essential for overcoming the presumption of immigrant intent under the 214B clause. Applying for a US tourist visa, B1/B2, might seem like a complex process, but by breaking it down into manageable steps, you can navigate it with confidence. From completing the DS-160 form accurately to preparing thoroughly for your interview, each step plays a vital role in the outcome of your application. Remember, honesty and transparency are key throughout the process. This guide has provided you with a comprehensive overview of the visa application process, from start to finish. By following these guidelines and preparing diligently, you'll be well equipped to embark on your American adventure. As you embark on this journey, remember that the United States offers a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered. From its vibrant cities to its breathtaking natural landscapes, there's something for everyone. With careful planning and a positive attitude, your trip to the US promises to be a memorable one. Good luck with your visa application and enjoy your travels.